Hello everybody, today I would like to talk about myself. My name is Tu and 17 years old. I'm single and living in Western France. I'm studying. Now I'm studying in high school in grade 6. About my family just summer. And I also studying English with teacher Suav. I have been studying English with him for 3 months. I like to study English so much because English can help me in my life. It can help me to know more people from around the world. If I know English, I can go to other countries. I can talk with foreigners. That is why I like to study English. About myself, I want to be a businessman. When I finish high school, I want to go to study in the National University of Law to achieve my goal to get what I want. So now I'm going to the end. If you see my English mistake, please tell me and forgive me. Also, because I don't know English so much. Now I want to say thank you so much for your supporting. I wish you to achieve your goal in your life. That is all. Thank you.